Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Friends, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can purchase or buy a gig of any freelancer. So right now I am interested in this gig, and all I have to do just visit the gig and continue as $5. So after clicking that $5, my order would be like placed, and it would be asking me that some basic information, and yes, it's okay, it's fine. So I have to like order now, and furthermore it would be asking me that is it a team order? No, it's basically a private order. So personal balance is $8 right now, so I need $7, and $5 would be for the freelancer, and $2 are service charges, so total becomes $7. Sure. When I confirm and pay, it would be like redirecting and submit requirements. So just a second, it is asking me that what are your requirements. So my requirements are like I need a latex file which need to be converted. So this is the question basically he's asking me. After completing this question, my order would be start. So all I need to do just putting the zip file, which is like my concern. So this is the file which I need. Please have a look at the files and respond. Thank you. Okay, it's done now. uh, so after completing that, I would be like yes, this is highlighted. Now I have to start order. Okay, just click this and start order. So my order has been placed. Now it's time to it's time that other freelancer to whom I'm going to hire have any further ambiguity or any questions regarding this project, he would be asking, else the time would be started. Okay. I hope you guys understood that how we can uh, hire or place an order on Fiverr. So that's all from my side. So take a very great care of yourself, and please do subscribe the channel uh, for latest updates and such activities as well. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.